How did you find getting down here today?
Oh God, sickening. Sickening. Welcome to f***ing Trinidad and Tobago. I don't know, I'm telling you, if the world was shaped like a man, Trinidad would be on the f***ing asshole.
Is that Caymans? No. So far. Sorry, what?
There's a big tilapia coming to you, brother. Right. I have a big tilapia coming to you, and I go that thing.
Hey, that big, it's half our lamppost. Go on the other.
In a desk with a collar and have a tie, and say they have an MBA, a BSc, and a pack of SH.
Right, we've had a few complaints, online complaints, about the amount of cursing from you.
Correct. So I'm going to calm it down a bit. I'm not going to curse today.
Ibagom.
No, you're
Dano, it's Juve, with Lyman, with Jean.
Do you know how well you're all doing so far, overall?
Yeah. Yeah, we have
Oh God, that was damn sloppy, man, Eric, man. What kind of guy bring it? Okay, no.